Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.10, Problem 15. This is Section 2.10, Problem 15. It says simplify, and we have the square root of 25 over 49. Now, this looks kind of bad. You have a fraction with a square root, but it's really not that bad. You want to know what number times itself is 25 over 49. So really what you want to do is think of it as two separate square roots. You can think of it as the square root of the numerator, square root of 25 over the square root of the denominator, square root of 49. So square root of 25 is 5, because 5 times 5 is 25. Square root of 49 is 7, because 7 times 7 is 49. So the square root of 25 over 49 is 5 over 7, because 5 over 7 times 5 over 7 would give you back 25 over 49.